Hey, how's it going, awesome humans? Josh Zaring here. We got sort of snow melting too fast to end it raining kind of situation here. This area here is just usually forest here, and this is where I go pretty frequently to take photos and go on a nice walk or whatever. I like being in the woods. As you can see, it's covered in water now, which is fun as long as it stays put, doesn't come up any further. Usually it's come up all the way to the back of the house, and that part's not fun. Only one time in the 6 years that I've lived at this place, it's actually come in the house, and it was just so very little, came in under the door, and then it receded, and we were good to go. Every so often when either snow melts or it rains for a couple days, the creek, middle creek down here behind the house / studio we live in, floods out, and then I have to worry, since the studio's on the ground floor, I have to worry if I have to start moving stuff up to the next floor. It's really stressful at times, but at the same time, it's kind of cool to see it. So I'm going to be documenting this probably throughout the day, see how bad it gets. So I might as well take advantage of some photo ops. There's nothing else I could do. I might as well be out here enjoying it. I got my 24 to 120 with the variable ND on it, and I'm going to do some long exposures with this. You can see that it's f22, 5 seconds, and we're going to see how that turns out. When I do this, obviously I'm on a tripod because it's a longer exposure, but I also set my timer, so when I press the shutter release, the camera doesn't shake and get extra blur that I don't want. So I got it set for a 10-second timer. So now that I got my tripod unstuck from the mud, I'm gonna try and find a spot where I'm absolutely surrounded in water. So I have to go down farther here to get in. And since I have my water boots on, I got at least a foot of water that I can handle before my boots are filled with water. So it seems like everywhere I try to get through farther, a little bit farther down in, there's a known crevice that I know about. I would not recommend doing this, even if you do know the terrain. I'm very familiar with this terrain, and there's some spots where I know it dips down. Like right over here, it's at least 6-7 feet down in. And then that's an area I do not want to walk with 2 cameras in my hand. So I'm gonna try and find a better spot. If not, I'm just gonna take a few more shots and wrap it up here. So here I am. I found the spot back where I started. Yeah, I'm on a tiny island, a very, very tiny island. Just enough for me to stand and set up my camera. So we're gonna try with this. Give you a quick view of this. So I took 4 shots at 15 seconds of this group of trees here. It's gonna end up being like almost a square panorama. So then I walked over here a little bit further because I saw a little spiral here, and I didn't really get it because I can't get a good solid spot to sit the tripod on. It kept tilting a little bit. I kept having to grab a hold of it. So I don't know how that's gonna turn out. I took 2 shots anyway. video and even the photos were graded and edited completely with my new LUT and Lightroom preset pack called Wonderscape. Here's some before and after video. And here are the before and after raw images. You can check these out at jzaring.com/awesome. All right, guys, I guess that's it for now. I'm gonna scout around a little bit more, see if I can get like some more like close-up shots maybe. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe and tell your friends. Please subscribe and tell your friends. And remember, every single day, create, share, repeat, and keep it awesome. See you next time. All right, guys. Awesome. Please like. All right, guys, I guess that's... So I got a shot. I took 4 shots at, what was it? Panorama. Kind of a... Oh, it's gonna end up being a little... Just throw this one away.